Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy type of liquid gold leaf that you can create at home using just a few simple materials. Because so many of you ask about this in the comments, I decided to make this video for you. To make liquid gold leaf, here are the materials you'll need. Lacquer, oil varnish, linseed oil, and of course, gold pigment powder. You can find these in resin supply stores or online, for example, on Amazon under the resin art section. Gold pigments come in many shades, but I picked 2 different types. You can mix them together to get a more natural, beautiful gold color. Method 1. Using lacquer. Shake the lacquer well, then spray a bit into your mixing dish. Add a small amount of the first gold powder and a bit of the second one, and mix well. It creates a shiny, smooth gold liquid that dries quickly and doesn't flake off. You can use this on many surfaces. Method 2. Using linseed oil. This is perfect for oil painting surfaces, especially if your gold leaf keeps coming off. Mix the gold powder with linseed oil and you'll get a rich, beautiful color. But be patient, this version dries very slowly, so give it a few days to cure completely. It's better to seal it afterward, otherwise it might flake a little. Method 3. Using oil varnish. Pour a small amount of oil varnish. Add just a tip of your palette knife of each gold powder. Mix it well. This one is also very shiny and smooth, but it takes longer to dry. Good news, you don't need to fix it with any top coat, same as the first one. Okay, now I'm going to apply each of these on a texture surface to see which one works best. Let's start with the first method, using lacquer. As you can see, this one dries very quickly and sticks to the surface really well. The second method is with linseed oil. It's also smooth and easy to apply with the brush, even though my surface is acrylic, not oil paint. And the third method is with oil varnish. It also applies nicely and sticks well to the texture. Now, after about 10 minutes, I'm going to touch them to check. Look, the first method with lacquer is already dry and has no flaking at all. But the second and third methods still need more time to dry. So if you're in a hurry and want a quick result, the first method is your best option.